Okay, guys, this is my new Clausing 4800 lathe. I just got it yesterday. No, I got it in the house yesterday, but I bought it about a month ago. Um, it's from the 50s, I think. And yeah, it's in back here right now, which is. Oh, that's right. I can't turn it because it's in back here. But there's a little, of course, on the opposite side, there's a little thing down there. You twist it. Right now, it's twisted out, or threaded out. So this gear unengages from the pulley, and it goes down the series of gears and turns. I think the 6-to-1 ratio is what is standard. I don't know, but I know it's a lot slower. It has a 4-way tool post. Um, has a quick change gearbox. Hold on, gotta wait for it to. There, that's going faster. Yeah, let's go to 4. Center 4. It has the threading dial and all that. The chuck. If you go any less than half an inch, it comes out, and it's very smooth. It's nice. What else? It has automatic crossfeed. No, you can't really tell, but it is moving just very slowly. It has. Hold on, let me get it since it lines. It has carriage feed. It has forward and reverse, and a neutral in the middle. It has. Come on. Bruh. What's happening? It has 2 speeds on the pulley. It has a reverse too. Hold on, let me take it out of back here. This pulley is 3-speed. It has a clutch too. That's the lever up here. Oh, this is still engaged. It's very smooth. I mean, this is. What else? Like I said, this is smooth too. This one is on the cast iron legs. It also has a bunch of accessories. There's a tool post grinder which doesn't work. A 4-jaw chuck. Come on. Steady rest and follow rest. And yeah, that's about it. There's a bunch of other tools like a taper attachment, outside jaws, live centers and cutting tools, lathe dogs, and then all this stuff, which is mostly faceplates. I don't really know what this is. I think it's part of the taper attachment, but I don't know. What else? Originally, I was using my Unimat, but I outgrew it really quickly. I mean, I'm only 15, but I started machining last December 2021, I think. Yeah, that's when I got it on Christmas. It's my great grandpa's, but then I outgrew it and bought this one. This one is a 10 or 12 by 36, I believe, and I bought it for 1100. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah. All right. Bye bye.